morning guys, welcome to my channel again. So today is Friday and it's payday by my daddy. So me and my mommy are going to the town in South Africa. So my outfit is gonna be come with me to pick my outfit because I don't know what my outfit can be. So yes, I've just got a you guys know what can I put on for the day? Comment, like, subscribe, and just come on me. Okay guys, I have a lot of options here. Options. See options. Okay. So yes, I'm just gonna pick my outfit and say my outfit. This is a white toppy. The white toppy is like a biggie thing, like it's fit me good. Thus or let me see. This thing is like a toppy, but it come like or like this and put like this. Give me an option. Or this toppy. It come like this also. Give me an option. And then I have also another toppy like this, all the toppies. See me guys. And then I have this thing, it's just yellow thing. This is not yellow guys. This is a yellow thing. Just gonna turn it over. This is the thing. And then I'm done with my toppies. I'm just gonna choose about this 1, 2, 3, 4 things. Give me an option guys, and let me go with my shorties. So I have this pink thing, it fits me really good, and then I have this a lace thing for I got it for Christmas, and just have a good. Good guys, it's back now. Okay, this everybody say it fit me like a boy, biggie thing of us. And then I have this thing. It's like this, and it's really good. So it's like this thing. It's like permission out setting. Okay, and then I have this thing.